Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Augustine. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and you've not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to build the mathematics community. In this lesson, we're looking at if y equal to sine of x, prove that the squared y on the x squared plus the tangent of x times dy on dx plus y equal to cosine squared of x equal to 0. Thanks to Mustafa from the University of Ghana for sending me this question. Now let's look at the question in details. Here, if we take y equal to sine of x, this is a composite function, it's a function of a function. So we are going to use the chain rule. We take u equal to sine of x. This implies that y equal to sine of u. Here, the derivative of y with respect to u equal to cosine of u, which is equal to cosine of sine of x. And here, the derivative of u with respect to x is equal to cosine of x. So, the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to derivative of u with respect to x times derivative of y with respect to u, which is equal to cosine of x times cosine of sine of x. Wow! As the derivative of y with respect to x, that is cosine of x times cosine of sine of x. Now, for the second derivative, the squared y on the x squared is equal to, here we use the product rule. So, we will take the derivative of d, we differentiate cosine of x with respect to x and multiply it by this. So, we take cosine of sine of x times dx of cosine of x plus, then we differentiate this and multiply it by that. So we take cosine of x times the derivative of cosine of sine of x with respect to x. The squared y on the x squared is equal to cosine of sine of x times the derivative of cosine of x with respect to x plus cosine of x times the derivative of cosine of sine of x with respect to x. That is the product rule. So here, the squared y on the x squared is equal to, if you differentiate cosine, you get negative sine. If you differentiate sine of x, you get cosine of, if you differentiate cosine of x, you get negative sine of x. Then times cosine of sine of x plus cosine of x times, how do we differentiate this one? So for that one, let's say that if we have m equal to cosine of sine of x, and then we take p to be equal to sine of x, then we will get this one as m equal to cosine of p, and the derivative of m with respect to p will give us minus sine p, which is equal to minus sine. And what is p? Sine of x. So here, the p on the x is equal to cosine of x, and here the n on the x will be dp on dx dot dm on dp, which is equal to minus cosine of x times sine of x. Very simple as that. This is our dp dx, cosine of x times dm dp. So you have minus cosine of x times this. So now, this is our dy dx. Okay, this is our dy dx. Let's keep it. And here we are doing d²y on dx². So we are going to put this one here. Yes, I nearly lost my way. So let me put this one here. I have minus cosine of x sine of sine x. Okay, let me clean this portion. So plus, we have here to be cosine of x into brackets minus cosine of x times sine of x. Yes, I think this will help. So here, d² y on dx² will be equal to minus sine of x times cosine of sine of x minus cosine times cosine gives us cosine squared of x times sine of x. Wow, so now what do we do? Let's see something. If we look at this one, if you look at here, we can make cosine of sine of x the subject. So let's do that. We have the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to cosine of x times cosine of sine of x. So if I multiply here by 1 on cosine of x and multiply here by 1 on cosine of x, this cosine of x will cancel this cosine of x. And I'll get 1 on cosine of x dy on dx is equal to cosine of sine of x. So in place of cosine of sine of x, I'm going to put this one there. So I will now have d²y on dx² to be equal to minus sine of x times 1 divided by cosine of x. That is cosine of sine of x. Is what we are replacing by this. Times the derivative of y with respect to x minus cosine square of x. And what is sine of x? That is the original function y. And we are done. So let's just do regrouping. So here you have d²y on dx². If this one comes to this side, okay, let's do rearrange. So minus sine x divided by cosine x dy on dx minus y times cosine squared x. So here you have d² y on the x² equal to the tangent of x times dy on dx minus y times cosine squared x. So we group them at one side. We have the squared y on x squared plus the tangent of x times dy on dx plus y times cosine squared x equal to 0. And that is to be shown. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and leave your comment. Bye bye.